Hey everybody, we're in Massachusetts now. That's not how that intersection works.
For building those assets, she looted the company along the way. Nor is the harsh criticism limited to those from Skilling's side of the company. Ego-driven.
I was listening to Al yesterday following comes into the chamber and
Ran right through the stop sign.
playing around with
Rolled right through the stop. Nope.
And they really have a long-term view of things. There are other companies that are close competitors. Well, maybe not even.
13-year-old Doreen Carlo often babysat for the Castles. She was reliable and trustworthy and loved
Really?
children. Both Lillian and Anthony were very fond of her.
Careful, 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 careful. Back up of shame. Make sure you go into the drive. There you go. But I'm streeing, but I'm streeing, but I'm dum streeing. That was red. What are you? That's not how this intersection works, dude. Didn't even stop, Mustang. This is a one-way street.
The measure creates a fund to invest in treatment, housing, and other services for people with substance use disorders. It uses money from Oregon's marijuana tax and the
Didn't even
projected
stop
savings
and-
from arresting fewer people. The New York lobbying group, the drug...
The Bureau's eavesdropping virtuosos were planting a crop of bugging devices in the homes and hangars
That's double line.
of those highest-ranking mafia potentates. From late 1982
So
into
close.
1983, the intimate...
to Jerusalem and getting several Arab countries to move toward diplomatic relations with Israel.
I believe that these are the intent.
Uh-huh.
I believe that.
And who knew that none of this stuff worked? People aren't checking on my computer. They have no idea.
Should have all been checked. You know, I was trying to check on things. You got your desk fixed over there?
Yeah.
Tom Mix Santoro, the underboss, and Christopher Christie Tick Funaru, the consigliere. They met with Salerno to review the question of barring Rusty Rastelli from the commission. Fat Tony further worried that Rastelli's...
At this point, Amuso and Paso assumed responsibility for the union workers.
That guy up there.
Also felt that there's
Nice cutoff. That was red light run.
Fast out. But within a matter of months, Skilling sent a clear signal to the rest of the organization that Fast Bell was not
straight
going
from
to
the right
be
turn
punished for
lane.
his failure.
What was that? Nope. I slowed down to let him in. Exit dive. Jumping. No trucks in the left lane. You better jump, jump, jump in the left lane and get out of there. She jumped in the... I'm trying to do the Pointer Sisters for a song I don't know. I mean, come on. Jumped in the left lane. That trucker jumped in the left lane. This is the end of the video. Please like, subscribe, comment, and catch you again next week. Hopefully you enjoyed your visit to Massachusetts. You know I haven't.